Hello, my name is Nicole Cole. Welcome to my channel. Tonight we have something very exciting to do. I have been wanting to do one of these for quite some time, and I'm actually going to use, they look like antique jars. You can get them at Dollar General. I think they're like $4 or $5. I've had this one for a while, and I've been holding out just for y'all. So what you need is a jar. Of course, it has the lid that comes with it. You'll need a bottle brush, and if you want to decorate your Christmas tree, you can do that as well. And you'll need some snow. All right, so let me get my camera adjusted and we will get started. I thought this would be a good project you could do with children as well. You don't have to use this big size jar. You could use a regular mason jar. Matter of fact, I saw several, they used the very small ball jars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of glue. Hopefully my glue gun's warmed up enough in the bottom for my tree. We're not going to use any water on this, guys, so it's going to be really simple. So let me hold my tree there for just a little bit. Make sure it'll stand up. May have to kind of get it a little bit more. Lay the glue to it. All of our grandkids have gone home, so it is quiet in the house. And we have done absolutely nothing today. I got these little red berries, and what I did is I cut it off of a holly limb that I had. So I was just going to stick a few little red berries just to have some color on there. But I bought this little bottle brush at Walmart, and I want to say they were like, maybe $1. Very inexpensive. So there's two. Let me get one down here. Just try to make sure that you don't get them in a straight line all the way across. It'll look a little bit odd because all of these were kind of big, and then they had just a few small ones, and I was going to try to put those at the top. I'm making a lot of noise with that glue gun. All right. I think the red is going to stand out really pretty. Just turn it on around and do these little ones. So it doesn't have a lot of berries on it, but it has just enough to give it some color. And then I had these little wooden cutouts. I didn't share that with you at the first, but I had these from some ornaments that I made. And so I thought about, and I don't know if I'm going to do it yet or not, I thought about putting a little star, but I just don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to leave it just as is. So then I'm going to take my jar, and I've got my snow. I think you could use Epsom salt for this. I had the snow, so I thought I would use that, but I really think you could use Epsom salt. But I thought since I had the snow, I was going to use it. And I'm going to be kind of giving with that because I want it to fill in the base of my I've got it everywhere. I wanted it to fill in the base of my, actually it's the top of my jar. That is so cute. All right, so I think I want a little bit more, so I can make more of a mess. Now, I've seen where they put these together and then they've done little bows on the lid portion, but I don't think that's what I'm gonna do. But all right, so you've got your lid. It's all glued on. I'm gonna take it and put it in there like this. Screw my lid on. I may have gotten a little carried away with my snow. Let me change that. I did. I got too excited with the snow. Let me get a little bit out of here. I wasn't thinking about the tree taking up some room. Let's try that. So you see how much I have down in there? Not very much. Let's try that and see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So look how stinking cute that is, y'all. I love it. So once again, you could put a bow around the bottom and dress it up. I myself, for a vintage look, I kind of like it just the way it is. But I wanted to show you one other thing. Let me get my camera adjusted. All right, so a jar, just put everything in your lid, put your snow on the other side, and then you have your own snow globe. Cute, 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 cute. Love it. But I was going to show y'all, I had an old pickle jar that I had done several years ago. And my dad, he actually took the lid of a mason jar and put a wooden top on. And so this is just, I think it's a pickle jar, but I painted a snowman. Now you can go to Michael's and you can get, it's called glass paint. So you can get glass paint, and then once you paint it, some people bake them, but if you let them sit long enough, you don't have to bake them. Now, some people do wash them in the dishwasher. I do not. I'll hand wash it every time. This one I haven't washed in several years, and you could probably see how dirty it is, but I don't use it. I just set it out for decorations. So I thought y'all would like that. Since we did a snowman together, I thought that was cute to share. So wooden top, pickle jar, and you just paint it with your paint, your glass paint, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed tonight. I was super excited about my little bottle brushes. I thought they were so cute. So tomorrow night, I'm not sure what we've got. I've got several little things. Look at these little tiny bottle brushes. Now I got these at Hobby Lobby. So I got a little pack of these and a pack of these. So I've got some ideas for more bottle brush ideas, and I think those are really popular right now. So y'all stay tuned, because today is Tuesday, so we have 3 more nights of crafts. So y'all stick with me. You can follow me on Facebook on Vintage Southern Belle, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nicole Cole. I appreciate y'all, and you have a nice night. Thank y'all.